What's up, you guys? It's your girl Rayanne Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and hit that post notification bell so you know when I post new videos. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Morphe haul for you guys. I am so excited to share this with you guys, and I have been stalking this package for the last week. I was at least checking it like twice a day, so I'm so happy. All three packages are here. So if you guys want to see what I got and all that goodness, then definitely keep on watching. So this is box number 1. This is what it's looking like. So it just came with my packing list. Let's open this. Okay, so the first thing is the 35M Boss Mood palette. So this is what the 35M Boss palette looks like. Up next, I know I'm super late with this next palette. I finally got my hands on the Jaclyn Hill palette, you guys. I've been wanting this palette forever, but I just wasn't willing to pay the price. I think it was $50, but it was on sale for, I think it was on sale for $30 on the Morphe website, and I had an additional 20% off. So I got this at a really great price. So I know I'm super late, but better late than never. I'm just gonna open it so you guys can see what it looks like, for those of you that have also been under a rock and don't know what it looks like. But that's what this palette is looking like. I really love this color of these colors over here. You guys know I love warm tone colors, so I'm excited to try these out. There's a lot of shimmers and matte colors in here, so yeah, this is gonna be really exciting to use. So I'm super excited about that. So speaking of Jaclyn Hill, I didn't get it in this package, but I got it a while ago and I've never used them. So I did go ahead and get the Jaclyn Hill brushes from Morphe as well. So it came in this cute little package, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open that for you guys. I just feel like these are super pretty, and I really cannot wait to use these. So this is just like an eye pencil, and I got it in the color High Maintenance, and it's just a nice red. It's like a, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a fiery kind of corally red eye pencil, and I just swatched it and it is very buttery. What else do we got in this box? This is the Fluidity concealer. As you guys know, they launched their fairly new like skincare line, and this is the concealer. So I went ahead and got that. I really hope that this is my color. I don't know. So that's the swatch. That's what it looks like. It should work for me, actually. Anywho, so that is that. This is what I needed today. As you can see, my eyelids are creased like an old lady. So this is just the eye primer that I got, and I really do hope that it works. So that's what that is. What else is in here, you guys? So I did go ahead and get their eyebrow pencil, and this color is in Chocolate Mousse. I've never tried their eyebrow pencils. So this is what it's looking like. It has a spoolie on one end, and this is the eyebrow pencil. Kind of reminds me of my MAC pencil. The color is pretty nice too, actually. So I'm really excited to try this. So I've really been wanting to try their foundation, you guys. So this is the foundation. This is how it looks. And I got the color 4.70. So that is pretty much everything that's in that box. Let's move along to another box. Okay, so this is the size of this box. I don't know if you guys can see. So again, it has my packing slip. Okay, so I did go a little bit off. I went off, but I have been so into nude lips right now that I checked out that first box that I showed you guys, and then I was YouTubing, and I saw that they had these lip kits. I didn't see them when I was purchasing my first batch of Morphe stuff. So I did go back and get these lip kits just because I really want to build my nude lipsticks. So I really only have like one real nude lip that I'm really loving right now. So I just wanted to expand that. So I went ahead and got the Out and About lip kits. So this one is Blushing Nude. I'm gonna open that for you. So it comes wrapped up like this. It comes with a lip pencil, and that's the color of that. It comes with a lip pencil, a lip gloss, and a lipstick. And let me just show you guys this color lipstick. It is very pretty. I'm just gonna quickly swatch this for you guys. Oh my gosh, I already broke the lipstick. Ah! Look at that. It was so nice and pretty. This is how the color is looking. So that's such a beautiful color. So I also went ahead and got this. As you can see, it's like a lipstick and lip gloss package. This was part of their holiday collection, but I was surprised that they still had it on their site. But again, this is a bunch of nude looks, so I was really excited to try that. And then the last two things in this box is 2 more lip kits, and this one is in, what is this one in? This one is in nude pink, and this is in caramel nude. I will have these products in another video, and I will do a full review on these Out and About lip kits. So don't worry, you guys, I will have full swatches and all of that stuff coming very soon. So that was that box. And lastly is this tiny little package. So this is just a liquid liner, and I'm gonna open that. And this is in the color Blackout. Oh, I thought it was like a twist. I didn't realize it was a twist open, but that's what that's looking like. And I'm just gonna lightly, ooh, it goes on really nice. I can't wait to use this actually. So that's what that looks like. And last but not least, I picked up a primer to go with the foundation because I figured, I mean, if I'm gonna try the concealer and the foundation, I might as well go ahead and try the primer as well. So the primer that I got was called Revitalizer. There is another primer, but that one is for oily skin, and I do not have oily skin, so I figured, you know what, might as well try this one. So that's all I have for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any suggestions or any looks that you want me to do or products that you want me to try out. But I had a lot of fun filming this for you guys, and I cannot wait to just try out more makeup looks and just play and have fun in makeup. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Toodles!